Hello everyone, I am Shikha Sundrial, founder and lifestyle coach at Sthir Wellness, and today I'm sharing Vrikshasana or tree pose. So let's start. Like always, we'll start with basic warm-ups and stretches focusing on our legs. You can find all the detailed instructions in the link above. Now we'll do a preparatory pose called Tadasana or mountain pose. If you're practicing Tadasana for the first time, please follow all the instructions given in the link above. Stand straight with your feet slightly apart and firmly pressed on the ground. Now lift your right leg and place your right foot sole on the left thigh with your right knee turned outward at a 90-degree angle towards your right side. Hold for a few seconds, then repeat from the left side. Lift your left foot and place the sole on the right thigh. Your left knee turned outward towards the left side. Place your foot closer to your groin, but initially you can place your foot slightly lower at a comfortable level, but not on the knee. Standing straight, fix your focus on a point at your eye level. Then slowly raise your right leg and place the foot on the left thigh with your right knee turned out. Inhaling, raise both the arms up. In Namaskar Mudra, place them in the middle of your chest. Breathe normally and hold for a few seconds. Repeat from the other side. The leg on the ground is supporting your entire body weight. So keep your foot flat and firmly pressed on the ground with your back, shoulders and neck relaxed but straight. Breathing comfortably and focusing at a fixed point. Let's practice complete Vrikshasana. Fold your right leg. Once you feel stable, slowly inhaling, raise both the arms up above your head. Join your palms in Namaskar Mudra. Focusing at a fixed point and breathing comfortably. Then slowly exhaling, bring both the arms down and repeat from the left side. Try and avoid any kind of sudden movements. It can really put you out of balance. And make sure your back is straight. There is no tension in your shoulders or your neck. If you're unable to balance on your own, that's okay. You can take support of the wall initially, but try not to lean completely towards the wall. Take gentle and quick support of the wall whenever you're going out of balance. Common mistakes. Whichever leg you fold, try to keep the other side of your body straight. Do not place the foot on the knee. Place the foot on the opposite thigh with your heel touching your groin. Don't place the foot on the opposite knee or too low in a distorted way. For convenience, initially you can place the foot a little lower, but make sure your knee is facing sideways and not forward. With your arms raised, if your body is swinging sideways and you're finding it difficult to balance, take support of the wall. No matter how flexible you are, if your focus is not fixed on a point, you will go out of balance. And that's it. I hope you like this asana. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can also support me by becoming a patron on patreon.com/sthirwellness. I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself until then. Bye.